Hi everyone, the latest paper pumpkin is here. This one is all about change. It's called Change is Beautiful, and it is the April paper pumpkin. And usually there's a little bit of a sneak peek, or at least more of a sneak peek, whoa, online. But this time there wasn't. There was a picture of an actual caterpillar. So I know there's probably butterfly in here somewhere, which goes with the change idea, but I have not seen it. I do know what this is. Let's talk about this real quick. This is the next paper pumpkin. So this is the May paper pumpkin, and it's going to be celebrating the new colors that Stampin' Up! Just brought out for the brand new catalog that goes live May 3rd. And so there are new colors: Parakeet Party, Sweet Sorbet, Starry Sky, Orchard Oasis, and Tranquil Tide. That's not right. Tahitian Tide. I can't remember it. Something about tide. So anyway, all those colors are going to be in the next kit and in some form. So they'll probably be maybe the envelope flap or some little piece of the kit, so you can see all the new colors. And then there's another part to the next kit that is the golden voucher. The golden voucher is going to be in one of the kits. I don't know how many. There's going to be some kits that have like a little $25 voucher for Stampin' Up! Products. So if you are a subscriber, one of the kits somewhere in the out there, I don't know how many, I know it's not one. They did tell us, and I can't remember how many kits we're going to have the golden voucher, but some of them will, and they'll get to spend $25. So that's fun, and that's just to celebrate the brand new catalog. And so you'll see the new colors. Somebody will win a golden voucher. I hope it's me. But I usually buy several kits, so somebody, maybe even someone who buys one from me, will get to win the golden voucher. I don't know. But it'll be fun. I also heard that in the next kit, the cards themselves are not gift card holders, but they will be an optional gift card holder insert for the cards. And I heard about that, so I'm excited to see next month's kit. So that's that. This month's kit, however, I knew there'd be a butterfly, is Melon Mambo. That's our spot for the day. And here's our stamp set. So I knew there was going to be a butterfly, so we've got two butterflies, a side view and a straight on, and a caterpillar. And it says, every day is a new day. I like that. Believe in you. May this new season hold wonderful new experiences. I'm so proud of who you've become. Then we've got some little flowers, and what is this one? Beautiful things take time. So anyway, really nice. All about change. So yeah, butterfly themed. Now I also heard that it's not all butterfly. All right, let's see. I'm excited for this one. I have no idea what it looks like. Okay, we've got some pearl dots. Oh, look how fun. Black background. Oh, and a trifold. Okay, this is going to be fun. All right, let's open this up. All right, and here's the instructions. So we've got a trifold card, and the envelopes look pretty too. Okay, so here's that one. So it looks like, oh yeah, look at that. So you've got kind of a fold like this. That's fun. So you've got the cocoon. Let's see, it looks like you put a caterpillar on the leaf, and then it makes a cocoon, and then it makes a butterfly. And oh, the back is even done, so you have a space that you can write that's still really pretty, not just plain white there for your writing area. So that is really cute. And then you say, it says that you stamp on the cloud and then add a butterfly. So that is a really cute one. Let's see if we can find this one. Okay, that is the flower. So on this one, it starts with, so we're going with that change theme again. Starts with a little leaf, builds into a bud, and then you've got a small flower and then a bigger flower. And again, probably, yep, a writing area. I like that black background. That's really fun. And then here, let's see what that changes. Here's your die cut. So here you've got your big, beautiful butterfly, your beautiful floral here. This is the little caterpillar that goes on the leaf. So it looks like we have some moon or some clouds. Oh, here, that's fun. Oh, okay, so we've got a see-through. That's fun. So we've got night to day. Pop out. Oh, save your moon, because maybe that would be like a spooky moon for a Halloween card. All right, so we've got some stars. It looks like you pop out some more of the stars too, and then you can see the moon through that, and then it's a new day. That's nice. So every day is a new day. I like that. And it looks like you're going to add a star here, and you're going to add some of the die cut clouds. This one has a lot of dimension in this kit, so that's really fun. So yes, of course, you're going to have dimensionals. And adding little pearls for some accents. Oh, so cute. And your instruction sheet, of course. And here are the envelopes. I want to see these. This is pretty. There are your envelopes. This is a really cute set. It's funny, I ordered, I always order more than one, so if you didn't get it and you wish you had, let me know and I may have another one for you. If you may want to subscribe for next month, because I think that one's going to be a popular one with the new colors and that golden voucher thing, and so I only order a few extra, and those might go really fast. This one, I ordered a couple extra, and I only got one today, so I went and looked, and on my tracking, they all came to my town, and then for some reason, one says delivered, and all the rest say en route to someplace else. So they got separated somehow. But I'll get more. They're taking the long scenic route or something. But I did get one today, so I'm really happy because then I can see it in person. So if you would like a paper pumpkin kit, change is beautiful, let me know, and I will see if I have more when they arrive. And I'm sure they will. And again, if you want to get next month's, maybe subscribe for that one. You can even do 1 month subscription prepaid. You can do 3, 6, 12 month prepaid, and that way you can be sure to get it for next month, because you have to subscribe by the 10th of each month in order to get the next kit. So that's May 10th for that one. And this one is done. This one is already past April 10th, and so I just got it. If you missed it and you want it, let me know. And I'm hopeful that you like this kit. I think it's super cute. Thanks for watching. Bye.